If you want to start investing but you're unsure of which platform to choose, I'm sure these are some of your concerns. Number 1, reliability. Is it licensed and reputable? Number 2, welcome rewards. Is it attractive for you to sign up and use the platform? Number 3, cost. Is the pricing competitive and are there any hidden fees that you should know of? And finally, user friendliness. Is it easy to use for beginners to get their hands on investing? So in today's episode, we are collaborating with uSMART SG to show you how you can invest with the uSMART mobile app. And the very good news is that now JP and UK markets are available on uSMART for trading. So if you don't want to miss the latest news like this, then join us at over 20,000 members in the Honey Money SG Telegram group to find like-minded people in investing and retiring well. Firstly, let's start with the introduction of uSMART. uSMART Securities (Singapore Private Limited) is a leading securities company regulated by MAS and hold both Capital Market Services (CMS) and SM Financial Advisor licenses. The uSMART app has been around since early 2022, so they have been operating for more than 3 years now. And the fact is, uSMART is licensed and regulated just like many other trading platforms out there in Singapore. Now let's talk about welcome rewards. What can you expect to get when you sign up to uSMART as a new user? To be clear, uSMART have different tier of accounts, so to get a welcome rewards, you have to sign up for the uSMART Standard or the uSMART Intel, which means uSMART Trader is not eligible for welcome rewards. There are some basic perks that are available to all eligible users, like $14 of cash vouchers in $2 blocks, always refers to the terms and conditions, and also very importantly, free US and Singapore market live prices. But there are some exclusive rewards for Singapore users only. Get a 0.02 Tesla share voucher and a cash voucher package worth up to $180. Users can choose between reward A, which is $36, or reward B for $180. Of course, the funding, the trading, and the holding requirements do apply. Always refer to the terms and conditions to see which specific tier that you can qualify for, and make sure you hit those requirements in order to get the rewards. So if we sum it up all together, you'll get up to $202 worth of welcome rewards. Do use my exclusive link below to sign up or scan the QR code right here to get your uSMART SG account today. Moving on to the next important part. Fee and charges. How much are they charging you for uSMART? Like I mentioned earlier, there are 3 types of accounts: Trader, uSMART Standard, and Intel. Now, I am excluding Trader for this discussion because there are no welcome rewards, so the suggestion is to go for Standard or Intel account. The difference between these two is that Standard has lower fees, while Intel has more pro features with unlimited usage. Let's focus on uSMART Standard, which is for Singapore residents. For US stocks, the good news is zero commission, and the platform fee starts from 88 US cents. This is for those stocks with prices of at least $40. Now, if the stock price is below $40, the platform fee is charged at 0.5 cents per share with minimum $1 or maximum 0.5% of the transaction amount. For US options, you may trade options with zero commission and no minimum charge. Moving to Singapore market-wise, it is charging a total of 0.06% fees, excluding any regulatory fees charged by Singapore Exchange. For pricing on other markets, please refer to the uSMART pricing page that has listed all the fees transparently, including the newly launched Japan and UK stock fees. Then, for money market fund under Wealth Plus, you may subscribe to Lion Global Money Market Fund at a minimum subscription of 2,000 Singapore dollars. Now, we are moving on to the more juicy part. What are the features? And I'll show you a quick walkthrough of the uSMART app. The most basic function is funding. How do you add money into your uSMART account? From your uSMART app, go to Trade, then Deposit, then click SGD and select eGiro. This is the most recommended and hassle-free solution. Once you have funded your account with Singapore dollars, you may exchange currency from Singapore dollars to US dollars. And this is assuming that you want to buy US shares, so they do trade in US dollars. And the good thing about US stocks is that you can either trade in full shares or fractional shares. And for uSMART, you can either buy in the dollar amount or you can buy in the number of shares. For US options trading, like I mentioned earlier, the pricing will be zero commission with no minimum charge, and you can buy options through the uSMART mobile app like this. CFD trading is also available, but you have to download a separate app called uSMART CFD on your app store. Enjoy low spreads and zero commission when you trade FX and precious metals ETFs. There are also other orders like short selling, leverage trading, which is really high risk unless you really know what you are doing. uSMART even has this smart order where it will guide you to what you want to achieve. For example, you want to buy low and sell high, then this smart order is for you. Next up, let's talk about regular savings plan, which is a very important feature if you want to practice dollar cost averaging into the market. On your uSMART app, go to trade, then click more, then regular savings plan, and you can now create your RSP. And you know what's the better news for regular savings plan on uSMART? It has no commission, no platform fees, no exchange fees, and no custodian fees. But it is based on the pay first and rebate later model. And to a beginner, a regular savings plan or RSP is the most passive way of investing through dollar cost averaging because it takes away the friction and hassle of depositing funds, exchanging currency, and then placing your trades. So it's really perfect for beginners or busy people who prefer a more hands-off approach towards investing. Moving on, let's talk about something special for uSMART, which is the interest reward promo. On uSMART mobile app, click on trade, then interest reward promo. This is where you can earn up to 4.0% per annum on idle US dollars cash funds. How this works is that all clients will receive an email before the promotion starts detailing the promotion period and the eligible currency. So if you want to participate in the interest reward promo, make sure you sign up before the due date and then enjoy that passive return. Now, having talked so much about the mobile app, I think I want to cover a bit on the desktop app by uSMART, which is known as a uSMART Trade desktop app. This is really for those serious traders who prefer a fully customizable dashboard. You can download the uSMART Trade desktop app from the official uSMART Singapore website, and after installation, you can use it to analyze chart patterns, see market overview, and multiple comparisons for you to execute your trades more efficiently. So to sum up my review on uSMART, I'll list down some of these pros and cons that you have to take note. Starting with the pros, it has a pretty good welcome rewards for those new to uSMART users, and that's worth around $200 US. Pretty good, right? Free money. Of course, that is if you fulfill the terms and conditions, so read those very carefully and fulfill the criteria in order to get the rewards. The second pro is that fractional shares are available for trading because one share may be too expensive to you. So you may want to buy in fractional terms, and sometimes investing in a dollar amount may be considered more palatable to some of you. The third pro is of course the zero cost regular savings plan, which is really hassle-free and very attractive in terms of its features. And the final pro is the access to other markets like Japan and UK. Although I know that many other trading platforms already have access to US, Singapore and Hong Kong markets. So uSMART is differentiating themselves with additional markets like Japan and UK. Pretty good. So if you ask me what is the con of uSMART then, I guess one of the most important con is that it is only available for cash investing. So it is not suitable for those of you who want to invest your CPF or your SRS, right? It is not available on uSMART for now. So here are my final thoughts of uSMART. If you're looking for an affordable brokerage with powerful features, uSMART could be a great option. But like I always said, always compare with other brokers or trading platforms out there to find the one that suits you the most, because everyone's preference is really different. You have to see which one works out for you in the end. So remember, if you want to sign up for uSMART, use the link below to get your attractive welcome rewards, and it will help to support this channel financially as well. So thank you to all those support, and I'll see you in the next video.